Hello, my name is Oluko and I'm the CEO of ThinkBikes Limited. ThinkBikes Limited is the first company that is manufacturing electric cargo bikes locally in Nigeria and one of the first in Africa. The bikes have 300 kg load capacity and a range of 50 km on a single charge. This is more than enough for small businesses. 60% of our accessories are supplied locally, and this is a form of empowerment to the sellers in our local markets. We employ people at the bottom of the pyramid along our production and service chain, such as assembly and recycling of batteries as part of our production. Our services are tailored to staff people with low income, as it was designed for affordability. Over 45 million MSME in Nigeria face tremendous difficulty to deliver goods to customers. Nigeria lacks affordable and efficient last-mile transportation, affecting the development of local economies. Current solutions are expensive and slow. They contribute and emit a huge amount of carbon, resulting into climate change and air pollution. Lack of access to market due to bad roads and inaccessible roads that are very difficult for vehicles as well contributes to this. At ThinkBikes, we know MSMEs are the highest employer of labor, and mobility is the driver of every economy. Our solution is the most affordable and clean means of mobility among every other options. We are currently piloting with a number of our key customers, such as Jivo, Orange Strategy Recyclers, small traders and retailers, Innovate Hub. The feedback has been positive and we are getting ready for full commercialization. More units are intended after this successful trial. We have over 100 units of the bikes in pre-order, and we are on the race to producing 1,000 units in the coming year. The MSME Award will increase our visibility and continue to validate us as a social enterprise, making impact in the lives of the citizens and the economy of our dear nation, from the most populous Black nation, Nigeria, to the world. Thank you very
much. Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, our next award tonight, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, we're in the second round of awards tonight. And this next award is on the Bank of Industry Award of Excellence in Manufacturing. The Managing Director of Bank of Industry will be unveiling the winner, but to assist us in presenting the award will be His Excellency, the Governor of Kano State.
Good evening, Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen. The nominees for the BOI Award for Excellence in Manufacturing are...
Manufacturing. The nominees are...
My name is Oluko. ThinkBikes Limited is the first company that is manufacturing electric cargo bikes locally in Nigeria and one of the first in Africa. The bikes have 300 kg load capacity and a range of 50 km on a single charge. This is more than enough for small businesses.
And the winner for the BOI Award for Excellence in Manufacturing is ThinkBikes from Oyo State.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart.
ThinkBikes, Oyo State. He removed his cap and put it back. That's the level of excitement. 30 seconds.
Your Excellency, short of words, I appreciate this. I had a career in academics. I've been lecturing for the past 10 years. I decided to focus on this. And I thank God I've been validated Our aim is to help small businesses in Nigeria with the most affordable last mile transportation. This is the first time this will be done. It's been difficult, but thank you for this. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Congratulations. Congratulations.
These MSMEs tell the story of our country's great economic future. We are set to manufacture our own vehicles, as we've seen, clean energy trucks and cars, and we're on course to manufacturing our own weapons, our own armored mobile platforms and aircrafts. We have everything that it takes. But I believe that the MSMEs, especially in technology and manufacturing, especially in the clean energy or green economy, deserve special mention. I'm convinced that this sector will be crucial in global industrial development in the coming years and will leapfrog Nigeria to economic prosperity. This evening, we've seen outstanding innovators from that sector. Let me mention three that seem to me to have set or will define, in my view, the future in terms of clean energy, automobiles, and precision engineering. The first is ThinkBikes Limited, the winner of the BOI Award for Excellence in Manufacturing, founded by Mr. Tolulope Olukotu, which produced the solar and battery-run bikes that can go up to 50 kilometers on a single charge. And this is the building block for a true industrial revolution in Nigeria. And many of these companies have already demonstrated to us that we have everything that it takes for a major industrial revolution, especially also in the clean energy space.